This 5-meter camper fits 6 people, a bathroom, a full kitchen, and still has space left, somehow. You're looking at the AtoZ Luminous, and on paper it shouldn't make sense. Under 5 meters long, narrow enough for city streets, and still claiming to sleep 6 people comfortably. But this isn't marketing fluff. This is one of those rare builds where every centimeter has been engineered with intent, and once you break it down piece by piece, you understand why it's getting so much attention. The Isuzu Trevio platform, derived from the well-proven Isuzu Elf light truck. This is not a van conversion pretending to be a motorhome. It's a purpose-built cab-over-chassis designed to carry weight, handle tight urban roads, and stay reliable over long distances. You're getting a gasoline-powered platform available in both 2WD and 4WD, which immediately makes it usable in both dense city environments and rougher terrain. Now look at the dimensions. Roughly 4.96 meters long, 2.08 meters wide, and just under 3 meters tall. On the road, that footprint is closer to a delivery truck than a traditional RV. That means tighter turning radius, easier parking, and less stress in narrow streets. But here's the key detail that changes everything. It's about 10 centimeters wider than most campers in this category. That extra width might sound small, but inside, it completely transforms the layout. It's the difference between cramped and actually livable. The body itself is built with a high insulation shell, designed for temperature control in both hot and cold environments. You've got multiple service hatches, clean water fill, shore power connection, and access to the toilet cassette system. There's a dedicated rear storage garage, which is critical in a vehicle this size. Instead of cluttering the living area, bulky gear like folding chairs, outdoor tables, or even sports equipment stays outside, but easily accessible. Up top, the roof is doing serious work. Depending on the configuration, you're looking at a solar array ranging from around 300 watts up to 800 watts. That's not a token panel. It's enough to actively support your power system during extended stays. There's also a roof ventilation fan and a skylight, which brings natural light into the cabin and improves airflow. And then there's the outdoor setup. A side-mounted power awning instantly creates a shaded patio area. That matters more than people think, because in a compact camper, your usable living space isn't just inside, it's wherever you can extend comfortably outside. Now step inside, because this is where the Luminous earns its name. The first thing you notice is the openness. That extra 10 centimeters of width is doing exactly what it was designed to do. Instead of squeezing through a narrow aisle, you get a layout that feels breathable. It doesn't feel like a compromise, it feels intentional. The sleeping setup is one of the smartest parts of this design. Above the cab, you've got what's often called the mom's attic, a full double bed. This isn't a small crawl space, it's a proper sleeping area that stays set up all the time. No conversion, no folding, no setup at night. Move to the rear and you get permanent bunk beds. Again, no conversion needed. These are fixed sleeping spaces, positioned above the rear garage. That means you're stacking functionality. Storage below, sleeping above, without wasting vertical space. Not foldable. Not temporary. Always ready. This matters because it eliminates setup time. You don't need to convert anything after a long day, you just sleep. In the center, you've got the dinette. During the day, it's a seating area that can accommodate up to 7 people while driving. That's important. This vehicle isn't just for sleeping, it's designed to move families. At night, that same dinette converts into another double bed. So in total, you've got 3 distinct sleeping zones: overcab, rear bunks, and convertible dinette. 6 people can sleep here without stepping over each other. Now the kitchen. This is where a lot of compact campers cut corners, but not here. You're getting a proper setup. A stainless steel sink with a high-neck faucet, giving you enough clearance to wash dishes comfortably, and the counter space is intelligently designed so prep doesn't feel cramped. Storage is where it really stands out. Soft close cabinets and drawers are positioned for easy access, letting you organize cookware, utensils, and supplies without clutter. And because the camper runs a high-capacity lithium battery system with a powerful inverter, you can even use appliances like a microwave off-grid without worrying about power limits. This is a kitchen designed for daily use, not occasional stops, and a large 80-liter compressor refrigerator. That fridge size matters. It's big enough for real food storage, not just snacks and drinks. Storage is handled through modern cabinetry, lightweight but durable, with soft closed drawers and smart compartment design. Every inch is used efficiently, but it doesn't feel cluttered. Storage in the AtoZ Luminous is designed to be practical for real travel, not just short trips. The overhead cabinets run along the upper walls of the living area, giving you continuous storage without eating into floor space. They're built with lightweight but durable materials and feature soft close mechanisms, so nothing slams or rattles while driving. The placement is smart. You can reach essentials easily from the dinette and kitchen without constantly moving around. Beyond that, storage is layered throughout the camper. Underseat compartments in the dinette hide larger items, wardrobes handle clothing, and the rear garage below the bunk beds takes care of bulky gear like chairs or outdoor equipment. Every space is used with intent, so instead of feeling stuffed, the interior stays clean and organized even when fully loaded for a family trip. Everything ties into a central control system. A digital touchscreen panel gives you real-time information on freshwater levels, around 70 liters, battery status, and climate controls. At the center is a high-capacity lithium battery bank, typically in the range of 550 Ah to 660 Ah. That's serious capacity. Compared to traditional AGM batteries, lithium gives you faster charging, deeper discharge capability, and longer lifespan. Supporting that battery is a pure sine wave inverter, usually between 2000 W and 3000 W. That means you can run real household appliances, microwave, induction cooktop, even a hairdryer without needing shore power. Charging comes from 3 sources. First, solar, through the roof panels. Second, the vehicle's alternator while driving. And third, standard shore power when you're plugged in at a campsite or home. This triple source system means you're rarely dependent on a single energy source. You can stay off-grid longer and with more confidence. And because everything is integrated, the system is efficient. You're not wasting energy or juggling multiple disconnected components. There's a smart TV, typically between 19 and 24 inches, with built-in streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube. That turns the dinette into a proper lounge area at night. Audio is handled through a multi-zone speaker system with Bluetooth connectivity. You can stream directly from your phone, and the sound is distributed across both living and sleeping areas. Now pricing. The base model comes in at around 11.55 million yen, which is roughly 77,000 US dollars. A fully equipped display model pushes closer to 12 million yen, or about 80,000 US dollars. For what you're getting, a fully integrated, high-capacity, family-ready motorhome, that price sits in a very competitive position. If you enjoyed this, you already know what to do. See you in the next one.